Woodland information. Woodland is an area covered by trees, typically with a density of at least 10% coverage. Woodlands are an important habitat for a wide range of plant and animal species, and play an important role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing and storing carbon dioxide. There are different types of woodlands, which vary in terms of their composition and structure. These include deciduous woodland, dominated by broadleaf trees that shed their leaves in the fall. Coniferous woodland, dominated by evergreen trees such as pines, spruces, and firs. Mixed woodland, a combination of deciduous and coniferous trees. Temperate rainforest, a type of woodland found in areas with high rainfall and mild temperatures, characterized by lush vegetation and towering trees. Woodlands provide many benefits to humans, including the provision of timber, fuel, and non-timber forest products such as mushrooms and berries. They also provide recreational opportunities such as hiking, camping, and wildlife watching. However, human activities such as deforestation and habitat fragmentation pose a threat to the health and viability of woodlands, and efforts are underway to conserve and restore these important ecosystems.